Now, let's proceed with attaching safety eyes. However, it's essential to highlight a key point. If you are going to give this to a small child or pet, do not use safety eyes to prevent choking. Instead, embroider the eyes using the black yarn provided in this kit. And if you need guidance on sewing the eyes, you can refer to another video on eye sewing tutorial. The eyes are positioned between round 10 and 11, with about 3 stitches in between. Let's fold the piece like this, so it will be easier to align the two little eyes. This is round 11, and this is round 10. So let's put the first one here. But we don't need to rush into attaching the eye washers right now. Once we're done stuffing, the eyes might shift a bit, so we'll double check their positions then lock it after stuffing. Let's go ahead with the other one. Now let's remove all the stitch markers and work on stuffing. We're going to stuff it gradually, layer by layer, so the filling will be distributed more evenly inside. If certain areas appear less full, continue adding stuffing. Tweak the shape of our piece to make it look even better. But not to overstuff, as it could stretch the stitches and create small gaps. Now it is nicely stuffed. Let's fold the piece again to check if the eyes are right in place. Looks good. Let's go ahead to attach the washers. Okay, with the raised side facing outward, this side facing the screw, then press it down. We'll press the washer to lock the first thread only, not too tight, or the eyes will sink too much. Let's move on to the next one. With the raised side facing outward, this side facing the screw, then press it down.